Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about sex. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we can draw the Venn diagram in here. So this one that is about R, that this one that is about G. So the first thing we need to know that R and G, all of them we have 25. That means everything in here equals to 25. R intersect with G equals to number 6. So this one in here, we know that that is about number 6. The number inside of set R, that is about 13. And the last one, we know that the all of the set, the all of the element outside of the set R and G, that is about 29. They want to find the value of G in here. So now I will show you how to answer. The formula of this one, that should be like this. We want to find the total element in set G. So we know that this one, that is about 13. This one, that is about 25. And this one, that is about number 6. And then we can find NG. So we put number 13 and negative number 25 go to the right, and we have like this. And that is about 18. So the answer that is about 18. So we just ignore about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.